Hello friends, I'm Kirti. I'm going to take an online session about how to install and use multiple operating systems in your PC through virtualization. That's the primary focus of this session. I believe it will be helpful when you're trying to learn many operating systems without installing the OS through multiple boot. Okay, let me start. These are the prerequisites. We are going to use an open source tool called VirtualBox used to install and run multiple operating systems virtually, which is provided by Oracle. We need an OS DVD as an image file, or it should be inserted in your DVD or CD drive for installation. Using this VirtualBox software, you can virtually create and run multiple operating systems such as Windows XP, 8, 8.1, Linux, Mac, etc. Okay, this is the VirtualBox software used to install and run the OS virtually in our machine. And you can see Windows XP is running on my laptop virtually on Windows 8.1 operating system. We are seeing its system properties. It's a Windows XP Series Pack 2. You can see its own virtual C drive where it got actually installed. I'm going to my physical OS properties now. It's a Windows 8.1 Professional Edition. I'm going to power off my VM now. This is the VirtualBox official website. I have given its link in below comment section. I request you to go through that website, and you can download the software and it's free. VirtualBox installation is pretty simple. Once you installed it, you will have a shortcut in the desktop. Here we have the VirtualBox shortcut on the desktop, and I'm opening it by double clicking. Click new for new OS installation. For demo, I'm going to show how to install Windows Server 2012 Data Center Edition now. I'm entering the new virtual machine name here. If you're doing it for first time, just go with the default setting. Don't worry about these questions for now. Okay. We are creating a new virtual hard drive, and its disk space will be dynamically allocated based on its usage, and I will show you how it will be allocated during the installation process. Create the new VM. I'm going to settings to add some resources, and I will explain this setting later. I'm going to add two processes to run the VM. So here we have the process settings, and I'm adding it up. Click OK to save the settings. I'm clicking OK. Okay, so let me start the VM now by clicking the start button. I want to show you I have inserted the Windows Server 2012 installation DVD in the L drive. So I'm giving here to boot up from L drive. Installation files are loading from the DVD now. It will take few moments to load the files. Here we have the installation screen. OS installation is also pretty simple. The steps I'm going to follow is common for all Windows editions such as Windows Vista 7, 8, 8.1, Server 2008, 2012. The setup is starting now. It will take a few moments to I'm giving Windows Server Data Center Edition to install. Accept the license terms. I'm giving custom installation. So here we have the drive partition. I'm giving 1 GB of drive space to save other files. Click apply, and remaining 24 GB of disk space to install the Windows Server 2012. So it will be acting as a primary boot up drive after installation. Okay, so the installation has now started, so it will take 40 minutes to install. I'm going to show you. This is the folder where the virtual machine will be get saved. So this is the virtual hard disk that we have created. So now you can see the disk space has been dynamically increased according to the installation. So the disk space is dynamically increased here. I'm speeding up the video now. Now you can see the virtual hard disk that we have created has been increased to 1.8 GB during installation, and I am speeding up the video now. Now the installation has been completed and it is restarting. You wait for a moment. This time it will be booted from the C drive in the virtual hard disk, not from the DVD. Now the new Windows Server 2012 VM is getting ready and it will take few moments. Okay, it is asking me to set up the administrator password. I'm just entering it. Oh, it's a mistake. I'm just re-entering the password now. Click next to proceed further. Now it is finalizing the settings. I'm going to show you in the task manager. You can see the first two processes has high CPU usage. This is the setting we have given for initially. So this entire server is running on those two processors. Now the server is getting ready. Going to the sign in page and it's asking me for the administrator password. I'm just entering the password that previously I had created. Okay, so the server is getting ready. We just logged into the Windows Server 2012 after installation. We can just check its properties from my computer, and I'm going to its properties now. Properties, yeah, we can see it's Windows Server 2012, and I'm going to the properties of the computer where it is running. It's a Windows 8.1 operating system, and you can see it now. So this is how we virtually create multiple workstation or computers using this software. I'm going to show how to enable internet connection to that VM. Go to its setting. You can see an option called network adapter. Inside it, you need to select a virtual host. You just need to enable and save it. And I'm just starting the server again after saving that option. It will take you a few minutes to boot up. You can see the UI provided by the VirtualBox is much it will be poor and it will be very slow. So there is an option called remote desktop connection. So I'm going to show how to enable that option. Using that RDP connection, you can access that server from your PC and it will be much faster, and the graphics quality provided by the RDP will be much better. So I'm going to show how to do it, and just log into the server. Entering the password. So it's just logging into the server now. So for that we need to go to the my computer's properties again. Going to my computer properties. So you can see in the left side that's a remote setting. So you need to click that and you need to allow enable that option, allow remote connection to this computer, and click OK. And so once you have done that, you need to note the computer name. From your local computer, search for a tool called remote desktop connection. Double click on the tool and open it, and I'm just providing the server name that I'm going to connect, and clicking the connect button. So Okay, just installation the connection and entering the username and password to connect to the server. Click OK. So you can see that active session that I was logged into that server through the VirtualBox has been transferred to the RDP connection now. So you can see it will be much richer, and the window and the graphics quality provided by the RDP will be much richer. Next, we make the unallocated D drive as a shared drive to share files between both computers. During installation, I created this D drive and forget to format it. So I'm just formatting now with, by the format option, and I'm unable to find it. So I'm just formatting now by double clicking on the drive with this default setting. Format, click OK. So it's done. Close the tab, and we need to go to properties to enable the sharing option. So properties, drive properties. So you can see a tab called sharing. So go to advanced sharing. Share this folder. You need to check the share this folder option, and you can see the server will allow 1.6 crore simultaneous users to connect to this drive. So Windows 8 it will be just 20 users. So that's some of the basic difference between the server and the client. So we just complete the sharing option. Go to the local computer, go to run. I don't want to share the server's IP address, so I will hide it after recording this video. We need to enter the server name or its IP address. You can get its name at the top of the RDP window. So / server name, or so just enter the server name. So / server name / click OK. So it's asking me to enter the server's login credentials. So I'm just entering the administrator user ID and password. Click OK. So here we have the D drive of the server in the local Windows 8.1 machine. So this is how we will share the folders. So I want to install a software called HW Info to view the system information of the server. So I have saved that the tool in the software drive. So I forgot where I saved that software. So no, not here. I think it is, yeah. So that's the HW Info software. So just drag and drop will copy that. I don't have the right permission, so I'm going to the server now and going to the sharing option to enable the right option. So sharing, and I'm going to go to permission and give full control, so I can read and write in the drive through the sharing mode. So I just copied that software to that D drive. So I'm just installing the software. Running the software to view the system information. So this is how we will share the folders. VMware, Hyper-V and Parallels are the other virtualization tools used to install and run multiple operating systems. You can download it from internet. This is my first video. I request your positive comments and feedbacks. This is Kirti. Thank you very much for watching.